Hey guys, this is 6.5 inches hoverboard electric balance scooter SISIGAD. This is what is included in the box. Let's see what it looks like. SISIGAD electric balance scooter. See what it looks like. This is black colored one. See the wheel. So the power cable goes in here, and you switch this on and off from this button. It takes 2.5 hours to charge up, and when it's ready it will show you a green light. So we're going to charge this up. SISIGAD hoverboard. I ordered this as a present. So yeah, goes in, the power cable goes in here. Okay, then plug it onto the socket. And you can see, switch it on from this button, and the light is showing us red. It's charging. When this is ready, it will show you green light. So this is SISIGAD hoverboard. Need to balance. To use this scooter, and it's with LED light. So it's charging up. You need to give it 2.5 hours to charge. 6.5 inches hoverboard electric self-balancing scooter. Hoverboard for kids. LED light BT. 12 km/h top speed, 12.5 miles range, and weight up to 150 pounds. But it has dual 200 watts motor that help it climb slopes as steep as 25 degrees, making it one of the most powerful balancing board. LED light, battery indicator, rubber bumper, and 2 riding model, beginners and advanced. And what is included in the box is 1 self-balancing scooter, 1 plug charger, and manual. So the charger is plugged on to the scooter, and the manual is here with the tips. Before start your ride, please do as following step to calibrate the scooter indicator. The first thing is put the self-balancing electric scooter on the flat place. Second step, turn off the scooter, press and hold power switch for 5 to 7 seconds until indicator light is red. The scooter enter the calibration state. Third step, press the power switch to turn off the scooter. Then the fourth step is press the power switch to turn on the scooter. So you need to do the calibration, but this is after the scooter is charged up. And before using it, make sure both sides of the scooter are at the same horizontal. Only when the indicator light is green is when you step on it and begin to use it. If the signal is red, restart it and make sure whether the both sides are on the same level and the indicator light turns green. Also, to prolong the battery life, ensure the safety. A long time continuous charging should be avoided. So once you charge it up, just remove it. Use recommended safety protection equipment like helmet, elbow pad, knee pad, just to make sure that the individual who is using this hoverboard is save. This is what we have here, SISIGAD Hoverboard. This gadget, I ordered it online and is a present. It deserves your attention. You can see the LED light. To use it, you need to press the power button to turn it on. The power button is this button here. Then the next thing you need to do is you need to put the hoverboard on the ground and make sure all safety measures are taken. Put one foot on the pad. So you put one foot on the pad. Put one foot on the pad. That will trigger the pedals switch to turn on the pressure indication and the system enter the self-balancing mode. Put other foot on the pad. Take control of the hoverboard forward or backwards. Remember, the movement of your body should not be abrupted. This gadget deserves your attention. SISIGAD Hoverboard. Thank you.